Upon entering Aleks and activating, you'll be taken to the tools tutorial and you'll get started, and you're going to go through a battery of questions in terms of how to work with the calculator, the pencil, the ruler, all that. And once you go through the process of, I believe it's 7 questions, and you'll have, upon completion, you'll have congratulations, you have completed the tools tutorial. And after this, okay, you're going to have what will be referred to as the knowledge check, which will be a battery of about 30 questions. And this is going to be a diagnostic. This is not for a test. And just click on start the knowledge check. It'll give you some details. And just do your best, but again, this is not going to be counted for a grade. And do not be overwhelmed if you're looking at certain questions for the first time ever. Again, some of the topics in the diagnostic are advanced, and some of you may or may not have been exposed to them, but again, you're going to have about 30 questions, give or take a few items. And I'm going to go ahead and skip the knowledge check. And once you are done, it'll have results, what will be referred to as the pie, and it will be broken down into topics and just indicate the level of mastery for each listed item. I have some details about Aleks. And okay, now in terms of accessing the homework and other types of exercises, you'll have the image of 3 bars that will show up. And it'll get you started. Like for the 3 bars, these will be in reference to the menu. Like you can also access your textbook through the menu. Again, I had mentioned that the startup page is going to look different from your perspective than from mine, since I have exclusively the instructor view. Once again, we have the textbook to appear, and going back to the menu, this is where you're going to have items, like it could be review, assignments, and this is where you're going to find your homework. These items here are the pie progress, and you're going to have start and due dates, and I will give announcements through Blackboard in terms of when they will be available and accessible, and I will keep you updated, and where necessary I will provide extra videos.